Traders, what's up? Okay, so as promised, the Discord is ready. Still it's not perfect, but I'm adding stuff all the time. So it's made by a few channels. I'll send you the invitation link. You will find there some very nice informative sections like why we trade the ESM S&P 500, price action rules, beginner section for people who don't really know how to trade price action. This is where you start. Live trading examples, some trading psychology articles and videos. Of course, open discussion where everybody can share his thoughts, trading, setups, whatever you guys feel like. News events for the day. And of course, I will be trading live. So you guys are more than welcome to join me. I hope we can develop some nice community where we can help each other, support, teach each other, learn from mistakes. So we'll have to see about the live streaming because as far as I understand, Discord has some limitation for maximum 50 participants. So if all goes well, we will soon have to move to YouTube live stream because YouTube has no limitation. So let's see about that. So what I suggest you guys to do, hop inside, check how friendly it is, and let's start to check its functionality and let's see how it goes. So I'm posting the invitation link here below at the description and also on the right corner of my channel banner. So you can find the invitation link and you guys are more than welcome. Let's have some fun together.